Hi everybody, it's Dr. Chang. Hope you're having an awesome day today. And I want to invite you to the talk that I'll be giving at the forum in Chandler next Friday, January 31st, 10:30 a.m. Okay, it's open to public, so anybody can come, but you just have to register beforehand because the place is gonna fill up quickly. So this is what I'm going to talk about. The topic that I'm going to talk about is called Beyond Keto Diet. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about keto diet itself, but I'm going to share three secrets, as to how you can lose weight very fast and also very efficiently. Secret number one, I'm going to show you how to lose weight without doing a lot of exercise. Okay, for those people who do not like exercising, this will be a great tip. And also without following those extreme diets like keto diet. I know a lot of people may have tried those diets, but I'm going to tell you why keto diet is not for everybody. Okay. And secret number two, I'm going to show you how to find out what's causing your weight problem even before you start any weight loss program diet plan. I mean, don't you want to know what's causing your weight problem before you start, right? And secret number three, I'm going to show you how to avoid gaining all the weight back that you lost after you're losing weight. Okay, typically 80% of the people who lost weight will gain it back within 2 years. Okay, so losing weight is important, but keeping it off is actually more important and challenging. So I'll show you the secret how to do that. So again, it's going to be at the forum in Chandler, January 31st, 10:30 a.m. And there's going to be address somewhere below here or above. So you can go ahead and register. And I look forward to seeing you there. It's going to be exciting. I'm going to share some really cool tips other than those three secrets so you can actually start implementing right away and help you reach your weight goal. All right? So this was Dr. Chang. Hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. And I'll see you there at the forum. Take care. Bye-bye.